Assalamualaikum and good day, beloved students. Today, we are going to make dynamic web application using Java Server Pages. First of all, we are going to have a look at the learning outcomes. The learning outcomes will explain what we will be learning and achieve at the end of this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe what is a Java server page. To achieve this, you will be introduced to Java server page. You will learn how it is different from the servlet. In the second learning outcome, you should grasp the knowledge on generating a Java server page and be able to describe it. To achieve this, you will be introduced to the process of generating a Java server page. In this learning outcome, you shall be introduced to the element that make up the structure of a Java server page. The elements such as syntax, declaration of object and variable, and accessing Java classes. At the end of this, you should be able to list these elements. In these learning outcomes, you will be introduced to predefined objects that are specifically designed for Java server page. And at the end of it, you should be able to list all these objects. And finally, come to the most important outcomes, which is to be able to develop a simple Java server page program. After you are introduced to the elements and objects of Java server pages, it is the time where we put all that together and program the Java server pages. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here are all the learning outcomes that we shall achieve at the end of this lesson.